Hi, Juicy friends. In IMIL training, we often open with a mention of Rita Pierson's powerful and inspiring TED Talk that focused on the message that every child deserves a champion, an adult that encourages and nurtures the full potential of each child. Nowadays, those champion adults who are responsible for leading and guiding and developing young children practically need superpowers to nourish a child's full potential for learning and excelling in life. So this month's tip is let's look at the superpowers of superheroes to help us. In 2015, Sarah Erdman and Meredith Downing wrote a great article in NACCE's journal Teaching Young Children. Their article was called The Science of Superheroes. They summarized a fabulous, focused project for 3 and 4-year-old children where they studied about superheroes. The early inspiration for the project was a result of their observation that superhero playtime sometimes focused on good guys versus bad guys and sometimes doing battle with the villains bordered on unsafe play. Hoping to foster safer play and expand vocabulary and enhance understanding of what it means to be a hero, they created a project-based study that lasted a month or more about superheroes that included creating new heroes and sidekicks with backstories and how they received and used their superpowers. And the bottom line was that they created heroes and sidekicks who were powerful and kind. They also studied real-life superheroes, especially staff and volunteers in their own program, and how they helped others. Then they studied the superpowers of animals, like how they use camouflage and speed, and the underwater skills of fish and the flying skills of birds. The children culminated their study of superheroes and superpowers by creating a museum exhibit to demonstrate their new knowledge. They made personalized capes to wear when the families and friends came to the museum to see their exhibit. Other parts of their exhibit included video interviews, a large mural they designed with collective artwork, and they shared the stories and the adventures that they wrote about their heroes, the ones that they created. These children demonstrated very high levels of engagement and expanded comprehension. I think we can all agree that Rita Pierson would call these two teachers champions. In IMIL training, we learned that the research tells us that children's heroes and characters are very influential, especially in nutrition, as evidenced in the marketing of snacks and cereals and beverages. But just as the children in the Hero Project found out, the profound influence of children's heroes and characters can be applied to kind behaviors and to healthy options as well. Check out the full article, Science of Superheroes, for even more ideas, or simply use my brief summary here to spark your own approach to studying superheroes or using superheroes like Juicy to help reinforce and shape healthy play and healthy decisions. Let's use the superpowers of superheroes as super teachers in our classrooms. See you next month, champions.